Underneath the silver moon, you and I collide, collide. Whispers in the midnight air, secrets we can't hide. Hand in hand we wander through the city's dark embrace. Eyes like stars, they guide us, no need to fall from grace. Midnight streets are glowing, a canvas just for two. Neon lights, they flicker, but all I see is you. Laughing about the moments lost, stealing kisses tight. Our romance blooms like shadows dancing in the night. Moonlit whispers in the dark, a love so pure and bright. Hearts are pounding side by side, we own the endless night. No need for words, your touch alone can light the darkest sky. In this midnight romance, our love will never die. The world's asleep around us, but our hearts are wide awake. Taking steps in sync as one, and all the risks we take. Every beat and every breath in perfect harmony. Magnetic pulls us closer in this midnight reverie. Time stands still when you are near, no clock can steal our fate. Hourglass just melts away, love doesn't hesitate. Dreams unfold in every glance and every secret smile. In this midnight magic, let's just stay a while. Moonlit whispers in the dark, a love so pure and bright. Hearts are pounding side by side, we own the endless night. No need for words, your touch alone can light the darkest sky. In this midnight romance, our love will never lights blur midnight haze, forgotten dreams lost in the maze, chasing thrills we can't outrun, living now nowhere to shun. Broken hearts, shadow past, fragile hopes they never last. Whispers echo through the night, hold me close, we'll take flight. Live for the moment, no looking back, burn all the bridges, no safety track. Tomorrow's a ghost we can't see, today will just be you and me. Rusty rails, tracks of fate, hesitation leaves us too late. Loose the chains of yesterday's bind, future's ours, let's redefine. Broken hearts, shadow past, fragile hopes they never last. Whispers echo through the night, hold me close, we'll take flight. Broken hearts, shadow past, fragile hopes they never last. Whispers echo through the night, hold me close, we'll take flight. Hoping, heart shadow blind, leave regrets far behind. Dance beneath the star-struck veil, life's a ride, no plan, no trail. Broken hearts, shadow past, fragile hopes they never last. Whispers echo through the night, hold me close, we'll take flight. Live for the moment, no, we'll take flight. Live for the moment, no looking back. Live for the moment, no looking back, burn all the bridges, no safety track. Tomorrow's a ghost we can't see, today will just be you and me. Looking home and no looking back, burn all the bridges, no safety track. Tomorrow's a ghost we can't see, today will just be you and me. Rusty rails, tracks of fate, hesitation leaves us too late. Loose the chains of yesterday's bind, future's ours, let's redefine. Screaming skies, all we got, invisible time counting each shot. Seconds fleeting, falling through, in this moment, me and you, and you. Fearless with hearts intertwined, leave regrets far behind. Dance beneath star-struck veil, life's a ride, no plan, no trail, no trail. Felt like fire in our veins, running wild, aimless nights, we had no chains. Backseat dreams and broken town bars, chasing fate like we're shooting stars. Guitars loud, echoing in the night, neon signs blazing told us we'll be alright. Leather jackets torn but hearts untamed, moonlit roads in a rebellious parade. We were wild and free, just you and me, truthful souls in a reckless spree. Memories burn bright, lighting up the past, wild nights and firelight never meant to last. Of a distant cheer,
Time has flown, but those nights so near. Faded photographs like ghosts on fire. Still feel the rush from that youthful desire. Jukebox anthems, the soundtrack to our sins. Worn out boots, dancing on a whim. Street lights flicker, beckoning our stride. Every